Broughton Electro-Air products are one of Europe's leading authorities in the manufacture of air conditioning units, developing a wealth of knowledge and experience over the past 30 years. Excelling in all areas of appliance manufacture, Broughton's portable air conditioning range is cited as one of the best options for commercial climate control, experiencing use in locations as diverse as Afghanistan and the San Siro Stadium for the Champions League. They're also available in low and high ambient operation models, with cooling ranges from 21 to 40 degrees. Domestically, their portable aircon range provide enough power for those looking to maintain the ideal home climate year-round. Based in Redditch, Broughton are proud to be a British company with a local workforce providing great service and impeccable products. Aircon 24/7 maintain a strong relationship with Broughton Electro-Air, having been a retailer of their range for many years. Should you have questions about the Broughton range, or indeed any questions about finding your ideal air conditioning solution, please contact us at aircon247.com.